Assalamu alaikum, 9th class. Today we are doing the diary of the 16 March and 17 March. So today we are doing chapter number 4 MCQs and chapter number 4 numerical number 1 to 5. First we have to do the MCQs of chapter number 4. The two equal but unlike parallel forces have different line of action produce. Students, you know about that. Two equal but unlike parallel forces having different line of action produce a couple. Next, the number of force that can be added by head to tail rule. You can add any number by using head to tail rule. The number of perpendicular components of a force is 2, that is horizontal component and vertical component. A force of 10 Newton is making an angle of 30 degree with horizontal. Its horizontal component will be, so students, you can find the answer by using this formula Fx is equal to F cos theta. According to this formula, our answer is 8.7 Newton. A couple is produced by two unlike and opposite forces not along the same line. Two equal and opposite forces. A body is in equilibrium when its acceleration is 0. So this is your correct answer. A body is in equilibrium if its acceleration is 0. The definition of equilibrium is if net force is 0. So students, if net force 0, then acceleration will also be 0. A body is in neutral equilibrium when its center of gravity keeps its height if displaced. जब उसको हिलाया जाए तो वो वापस अपनी हाल उसी हाइट में आ जाए तो फिर वो ऑब्जेक्ट कौन से इक्विलिब्रियम में होगा? न्यूट्रल इक्विलिब्रियम. रेसिंग कार्स आर मेड स्टेबल बाय lowering the center of gravity. Next you have to do the exercise by yourself. Now we have to do the numerical. First numerical is find the resultant of a following forces: 10 Newton along x-axis, 6 Newton along y-axis, and 4 Newton along negative x-axis. So students, our given data is Fx, x component. We have two x component, one is along positive x-axis and one is along negative x-axis. So total our x component becomes 10 Newton minus 6 Newton. That becomes 4 Newton. And next our y component is 6 Newton. This is a y component. So students, you have to find the force F and direction theta. The formula of the force is F is equal to Fx का square plus Fy का square whole square root. So students, 4 square plus 6 square so students, the square root of 52 becomes round off, after round off becomes 8.5 Newton. So this is the force, and the direction of the force is, the formula of the direction of force is tan inverse Fy over Fx. Tan inverse, students, Fy is 6 Newton over 4 Newton. After simplification, our answer becomes 45 degree with x-axis. Students, this is the direction of force. So this is our two answers. Now numerical number 4.2. Students, find the perpendicular components of force of 50 Newton making an angle of 30 degrees. So then you have to find the perpendicular components, horizontal component and vertical component. The given data is force, that is 50 Newton, and the direction theta, that is 30 degree. So you have to find the horizontal component and vertical component. The formula of the horizontal component is Fx is equal to F cos theta. By putting values 50 Newton multiply cos 30 degree. After calculation, you have to find the cos 30 degree, then multiply the answer with 50 Newton. Our answer becomes 43.3 Newton. Students, next Fy is equal to F sin theta, 50 Newton multiply sin 30 degree. You have to find the sin 30 degree, then multiply by 50, then answer becomes 25 Newton. student, this is the answer of numerical number 4.2.